Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about Python errors and built-in exception for in Python. Okay, basically when we can able to get some errors, we can able to like syntaxing time errors or logical time errors. Syntaxing errors nothing but when we do some mistakes on syntaxing. Python have inbuilt syntaxing formats, right? We discussing that my starting with the video of Python. Please go through that video, then we can able to understand for what exactly that syntax and all. In that syntax time, we are going to do some mistakes. That moment we can able to get some syntax errors. This by default humans definitely we can able to do some mistakes. That moment only we can able to get it for this kind of syntax errors. Means in this example, see here, if a less than 3, then we forgot to put some colons. Then by default we can able to get some error on syntax. That is called compile time when we are running the writing the program, right? That moment we can able to get it. And if you are going to run for that particular information, then by default it will show for error because the colon is missing the syntax in time. Then it will notice ours and we can able to modify that. And logical errors whenever we are doing some operations, like we are going to opening some file, the file is not exist, then we can able to get for this logical errors. But these logical errors we will get from a runtime. Means whenever we running the program, that moment we can able to get it. This logical errors will get it like that, and syntax errors we are doing for coding compile time, then it will gives us. And you can able to say the file is not exist, and we are going to get file not found exceptions, and we are going to dividing for 1 divided by 0, then we will get for 0 division error. And we are going to importing some module. That moment we can able to get that modules exception errors, then we can able to see whenever this type of runtime errors occurs, a python create an object for exception, and if not handled properly prints an traceable back and that errors along with the details about what exactly this error is saying that. Okay, and python having inbuilt exceptions. There are a number of exceptions. Even you can able to print directory locals and built-ins. If you run this one, you can able to get this all the list. What all I am going to put here, right? Everything that you will get in into your local also. Okay, because it is inbuilt, it is having a list of exception is provided already. Assertion exception is nothing but a statement, whether it is properly provided or not. And that moment we can able to get some exception when we are comparing for two different elements to the same value to verifying the both are matching or not. That moment some syntax error, something values statements we are getting first, then it will get for assertion errors. And attribute error is nothing but when we are going to assigning the attributes value or reference the failing. That moment we can able to get that kind of errors. And importing that module into one module into another module place, then we can able to get it some errors. Index out of boundary errors. Basically we are trying to get for 5 elements, a list having 4 elements, and we are trying for fifth element, then you can able to get for index errors. And key is not able to a directory, and we can erase that moment we can able to get it for some keyboard exceptions, memory errors, a reference error, overflow errors. The result of arithmetic operation is too larger to be a representation, then it is become a overflow error. And syntax errors and runtime some values we can able to get errors. This all under it is presented Python inbuilt exception. You can able to go through that one by one, which is I showed the command, right? You can able to execute that command into your local. That moment you can able to get all the list of items into your directory, and you can see that one by one, and you can able to run it. already run this one, and it is provided the list of items here already. See, which is the elements I showed, right? These are all the things you can able to see that as. Okay, try one by one into your local, then you can able to understand this kind of exception how we can able to see. And next video session we can able to learn how we can able to hand it for this kind of exceptions. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.